Just a disclaimer, some of these things are things you've probably heard of already, seen in lists already, and you probably know about. So this is for the person who's probably new to this, probably want to try something different. Definitely check this out. If it doesn't apply, let it fly. If it does, then I'm glad to be a part of your journey and test out some of these things if you need to. The first item I'm going to go over is a mixing bowl. All right, so the mixing bowl, it's 2024 and I still see some people using the paper bowls, which is completely fine. That's how a lot of us learned that's how a lot of the videos were when you were learning how to use it. They were all using the paper bowls and it worked. But things have evolved, times have changed, and there's other means and ways out there rather than using a bunch of styrofoam plates that you have to throw away and you have to continuously replenish. And even though they are affordable, you don't want to always have styrofoam plates. So we're going to get some reusable glass bowls. The reason why I say glass is because with lip glosses, it's very glossy and it's very sticky. So if you put that on like a plastic bowl or some other type of bowl, it's going to be a mess to clean off when you're cleaning it. When you use the glass bowl, you can put it in there, and when it's time to clean it, soap and water clears it right off. Some Dawn dishwashing liquid soap, chef's kiss. All of that debris and everything that left after you finish mixing is gone. The next thing about the glass bowls is that you can get a set of them on Amazon in different sizes. So you can get small, like extra small, medium and large, like a set of them in different sizes. I'm going to put a link here so you can see what I'm talking about. Like I'm going to put a picture here, can you see what I'm talking about? Because this is the glass bowl that I use when I'm making my lip gloss, and I also use these bowls like if I'm making body scrub. Sometimes when I'm making body butter, depending on the amount, etc., you can use these bowls and you just rinse them out, dry them, rinse them out, dry them, sanitize them, and use them again. And I think that's why some people probably use the styrofoam plates, because of sanitizing. Maybe they don't have to constantly sanitize their products, maybe it's easier, who knows. But this is just an alternative, so you don't have to constantly use your styrofoam plates. All right, so that's just a tip to help you guys out. The next product is the mini stirring rods. The mini stirring rod can help you stir your pre-formulation. So the formulation, maybe your phase A, which I'm speaking based on how I mix it. I'll do my oils, my additives, and my preservatives separately, and then combine all of that and then add it to my versagel. So the stirring rod I use to mix all those ingredients together first, the oil, the flavor, the vitamin E, everything that I need to mix. I'm going to mix it with my stirring rod first, and the stirring rod is glass because of course it is easier to clean. But if you feel like you're going to continuously break it, maybe get a different type, maybe the metal one will work. And you can use these glass stirring rods, stir it around, combine the ingredients, and then you can just pour it into your versagel. So I'm definitely going to post a picture of that as well, because that's what I use it with my body butters when I do the same thing, or when I'm making lip gloss. So it's not and they're affordable, reusable, same thing, sterilize, clean, clean before you use it, and you're good to go. So the next item that I use is my stainless steel spatulas. So these are some mini spatulas. I'm going to post a picture here. They can be used for multiple different things. For dispensing your mica, you can use some of the small ones to dispense mica. If you want to use a small amount of mica, you don't want to take up too much of it, this will be perfect of it. The mini spatula, you can use that. You can use it to mix, and you can use it to scoop it off of the side, like the versagel. You can use it to get it off of the side of containers, get it off of the side of your syringe, whatever you need to do. The mini spatulas will help with that. The mini spatulas also have mini spoons attached to the tip of it. That mini spoon I use with it can be used with certain ingredients. I use it with my polysorbitene. I'm going to show a video somewhere here of me using it with my polysorbitene, because the polysorbitene is so sticky and stick together. If you pour it out, you might end up adding more than you have in your ingredients. So with that little spatula, I'm able to move it around, sift it around, and take out a little bit by bit, which makes it easier for me to make small batches, because I do make it for personal use. So definitely check out these mini spatulas and add it to your inventory of tools that you use to create your products. I did it, but I still do. I use this when creating my body butter, my scrubs, and I use them mostly for the mica. I use them for lots of mica and to scoop things around. Like, they just come in handy, and I feel like when you're making lip gloss, having certain tools will help to make it so much easier for you. The next thing that you want to add, which you'll definitely need, is your pipettes. The pipettes, I'm going to link to them. I'm going to show a picture of them here. I buy them in bulk because, one, I use them when I'm making body butter. When I'm making body butter, I need them for my essential oils, so I use them for that. Two, when making lip gloss, you're cutting the tip of your pipette. Definitely going to show a video of that, but you're cutting the tip off of your pipette and you're taking the pipette and pushing it at the tip of your syringe. This will allow you to dispense your lip gloss inside of your lip gloss tube all the way at the bottom instead of doing it at the top, because when you do it at the top it sticks to the top because it's very sticky. So when you're able to have your pipette at the bottom of your syringe, you stick it inside of your lip gloss jar, tube, whatever it is that you have, and start dispensing from the bottom coming all the way up. I'll definitely show a video of that as well. The next item you want to add is your syringe. Definitely the syringe is a must. It is very helpful when if you're not a seasoned lip gloss maker, or you're not a big business or a business that's making a lot, the syringe will definitely help when adding your lip gloss to your tubes, because we don't have a lip gloss filler. So the syringe works, the syringe with the pipette attached to the bottom of it works as a filler, basically works as a manual filler. So you need the syringe to put in your lip gloss. When you're done with the mixture and everything, you mix it up, you scoop it inside from the top of your syringe. Some people do suck it up through the tip of the syringe. That doesn't work for me. That seems like a bit more messy. I take off the inside of the syringe and I pour my mixture inside of it. After pouring my mixture inside of it, I am able to push back in the middle of the syringe, the top of it, and then I can easily push down the formula down into the bottom of the syringe and into my tubes. That makes it so much easier. It goes faster. It doesn't take as long, and I feel like it's a little bit less mess in my opinion. So definitely check that out. I'm going to post a video. As I said earlier, I have a video of me actually making a lip gloss. You can click the link up here anywhere and you can watch that and see how I've done it for myself. What I want to clarify is that I've noticed that there's a lot of small businesses that are also creating their own versagel. That is up to you. Some of them have good reviews, some of them don't, so you do have to test it out and see what you like. Just as well as with the larger businesses as well, you still have to test out their versagel and see which one you like. So if you find a small business one that you want to purchase from, fine. But the one that I'm going to go over, the main one, is two of them, but I'm going to go over the main one, which is TKB versagel. That one is the most popular one. They have about 5 or 8, I think about 8 different types of versagel base that you can choose from. So the opportunities are endless. Like, you can create a whole bunch of different things using TKB versagel. So that is the first supplier of versagel, and I know you guys know all of that. The next one is noprobllama. I think that's how it is. I'm saying it off the top of my head. I'll link it somewhere on the screen, but it's noprobllama or something like that. I have used this versagel. I've actually used it more than once, probably used it like twice, and to be honest, I liked it. The texture was great. I liked how it felt. I liked a lot about it. It made it like the only thing I'll say with that website, I feel like TKB has better upkeeping when it comes onto their website. That's the only thing I'll say. It has better upkeeping, and I feel like noprobllama can do a bit better with their website, I would say. But the product was good, so you could test out both of them and see which one you like. You never know, you might like the second supplier, noprobllama, better than TKB. You might like TKB first better than the other one. So definitely check them out. I would say to keep getting your polybutene from TKB, and if you get it from noprobllama, test it as well. But TKB is known for that, so you'd want to go ahead and get the one you're known for and test it out and see if you like it. My polysorbitene, which is a different one, I get that from Making Cosmetics. I'll link it below if you'd like to try that. That adds a bit of a shine to your lip gloss. It makes it shiny and lasts a bit longer on the lips. So you can definitely check that out and see if it's something that you'd want to add to your lip gloss. And remember, these are all suggestions. You don't have to take none of this as a Bible, but you can try it out. It can help you or it can help someone. So definitely check it out and let me know. Also, if you want to support me, you leave a comment below. Tell me thank you, or just leave a comment and say, even if it's, I've heard of these before, I've never heard of these before, or ooh, this good idea, something, anything. Emoji will help me get into the algorithm. Last but not least, I'm going to go over my containers. So I've used at least 3 different type of containers, and they've all served me well when creating lip gloss. I know that it's hard to sometimes find your suppliers for lip gloss, and you're like, oh, where should I purchase my containers? There's a lot of places that you can purchase them, and Amazon has been getting better with purchasing lip gloss containers. Like lip gloss suppliers, Amazon has been getting really better with that. That's where I purchased some of my lip gloss containers. The ones that I purchased, I'm going to link them below because, you can order them too. They can be used for your business. The only thing you need to do is create your labels. That's a whole different ball game, and I can probably help you with that in the next video, but that one, they're kind of rough anyways. But yeah, so you can use the same suppliers I use. I am going to show you pictures of the one that I have, and then the link below. I think the smallest quantity I've seen, I think it was 12 or 20, right? And that's because I feel like they're very cheap, so them no one just sell 1 or 2 of them. You can be able to get 12, you know, but if it's a business, you want a lot anyways. The next place that I've bought lip gloss containers from is AliExpress. I've purchased different sets of lip gloss containers from AliExpress. Now, I'm going to show you the one with the yellow top lip gloss container that I have. I was able to get that from AliExpress, but it seems like the supplier either no longer has that type of lip gloss container, or they just don't sell that one anymore. I'm still going to link the supplier that I got it from, because I did go on there to see if they have some more lip gloss containers. They do. I'm going to link them. You can check them out, see if, you know, there's anything that you like from there, and you can use that to start your search in finding other lip gloss container suppliers to help with your business. But if you just want to go ahead and go straight for it and just you want something to use right now, you can definitely check Amazon. Click the link below with my Amazon supplier and see if it works for you and go from there. With AliExpress, I'm going to link 2 suppliers that I've used, and the exact ones that I've used, and exact lip gloss containers that I got from them, if they're still up there, and you can go ahead and check for yourself and see. Maybe it can help your business, maybe it can help somebody you know, whosoever it is. But if you think somebody can benefit from this video, share it. One more thing, if you are concerned about formula for your lip gloss, either get the TKB ready-made lip gloss base, or there's so many videos up here with different lip gloss formulas. You can try them, test them out, you know, manipulate them to be your own. I have a video here as well of me making lip gloss. Test it out, try to use the same formula if you want for your business, if you like it. Switch it up, you know, manipulate it, do what you need to do. Just test out things, try things out, so you can get where you want to be. Don't hold yourself back fighting over these formulas. There's so much online. Just go ahead, manipulate them, substitute what you need to substitute, and test them out, and you will be able to create your formula a bit easier than some of us did. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be, and don't hold yourself back. On that note, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. If you like this video, you know, if you like the information, you can like it. If you don't particularly like the type of content I create, because I do a lot of DIYs, then you don't have to subscribe. But if you do, you can definitely subscribe. You can put an emoji in the comment section to help me boost in the algorithm so I can become monetized, or just like the video and that will help me. On that note, have a good day.